Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to create a logo in Canva. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first things first, you need to go to Canva, visit www.canva.com, log in or sign up for a free account. Now here, what you're going to do once you have created an account, just tap on create. By the way, I strongly suggest to try the Pro version because there are lots of features that you can unlock if you're using Pro. But if you're using Basic, it's okay. Tap on create a new design here, and then on the search bar, you have to type on logo. Then you can see here different templates, for example, logo for a specific platform. Let's just say no platform, just tap on the logo right here. You can just post it or upload it to anywhere you wish. Now, this is the size of the logo, and here's the blank page. To start, what you're going to do is search for a template right here or go to the design section, tap on the search bar, and then enter or type the specific keyword right here. So let's just say you wanted to create a logo for a restaurant. Now you have different templates that you can use right here. So let's just say if you want to use this, or we can use the Pro version. So I'm going to switch my account to the Pro version. I have my Pro version account here in Canva. So this is the template or design that I want to use for my logo. Now I can now change the name right here. So for example, I'm going to create a logo for the restaurant, and the restaurant's name is One Pot Wonders. Now feel free to edit. So add effects, change the color, change the background color. You can also change the image right here, the font. Everything is up to you. Canva has a user-friendly interface, so it would be easy for you to edit everything here. So you can now change the background. Now, if you want to add elements, add objects, just tap on the element right here. You can search for a specific object or element right here. For example, still cooking, about cooking, or let's just say about recipe. Just make sure that you tap on the graphic section, go to graphic section, and then select a specific object or element right here. Okay, for example, this one. Now you can tap on and then change the layer into background. So everything is up to you. You can just edit everything here. And then I will also want to add like spices, something like that. So I want to go back to elements and then search for spices. So go to the search icon, type spices, and you will see different results. And all you have to do is to drag it to the blank page. So basically that's it. You can add more. You can edit more. Once you're done, tap on the share icon, make sure it's PNG, and then download. And basically that's how easy it is to create a logo in Canva. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.